a big announcement on where you can get these beads, but before that we're going to head over to today's sponsor, which is luxdroneco.com. They sponsored today's video and made this all possible, so please head over and check them out. They're having a site-wide sale. They offer everything from beginner to professional drones, camcorders, cameras, as well as accessories for all of your electronic needs. So you're going to be getting 10% off the entire website, and that promo code is going to be Facebook10, so be sure to check them out. Now we're taking a look at our website, tryingtohelp.com. We are now offering the teeth replacement beads on our website. We wanted to make it easy for you guys to find them and get them for an affordable price. These are the exact beads that we use in our videos, so you can see that they work and they work great. We're going to get into a demo in this video. We wanted to make like an all-in-one video for you guys because we know that these beads have helped thousands and thousands of people just by our comments and messages, so we wanted to make sure that we can provide these for you and you have somewhere that you can get them. So here we're looking at the smaller size option, so we offer 5 grams or 50 grams, so just depending on your needs. The 50 gram option, it includes a lot of beads, so you can make over 300 teeth, which is a lot. So go ahead and choose the option that's best for you and your needs. And then, as you seen a moment ago, we're also offering dental grade teeth whitening, so be sure to check that out. It's an amazing price for the amount that you're going to be getting. So go ahead and head over to trying2help.com and you can get those beads. So now we're going to jump into the demo. And we featured this video on our channel before, but like I mentioned, we wanted this video to be an all-in-one, so you have all the information that you need in this video and you don't have to jump around. So as you can see, he's warming up the water in the microwave. So the water needs to be hot enough to melt the beads. So we use the microwave. You could use the stove, but the microwave has always worked best for us. Now he's going to be getting some beads, and you can see in the demonstration how many he's using for one tooth, so you don't need a lot at all. They go a long way. And the method that we found that works really well is getting a spoon and putting the beads on the spoon and then submerging them in water, and you're going to see them turn clear. So they become a little bit harder to see, but you just have to play around with it. And the nice thing about these beads is if you do have an accident or you mess up or you don't like the shape of the tooth, you can always just remelt those and try again. So right here he's feeling the texture. He's done this a lot, so he knows the texture and the temperature that he's looking for. So you just have to get good at shaping the tooth so that way it matches your other teeth. And then it also helps to have a little bit of extra material in the back, so that way it can hang on to the adjacent teeth that you have to help it to stay in place. So it's going to look clear, but once it dries, it's going to go back to being white. And we also have a video showing you guys how to alter the color. You can easily alter the color with a couple different methods, but you can go ahead and check that video out. I'll go ahead and link it below as well, and you guys can see how you can change the color of the beads to match your teeth. So as you can see here, it dried now, it hardened, it did turn white. So he has had success with using scissors and or a knife to help shape the tooth even more. You can use what works best for you. I've seen comments where people have said they've used a lighter if they needed to, make it melt it a little bit more. So you can play around and see what works well for you. And there is the results. This is amazing. It's helped thousands. Definitely check out the website. Everything will be linked below. Thank you so much.